Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial where we'll discuss the inner and outer joins of SQL. Okay, so basically joins are something when we want to merge two tables with each other, probably because one of the tables has a few attributes that are not present in the other table, but we want all of the attributes together, right? For example, I'm gonna show you two tables here, right? Select star from T1. So there's T1 and T2. T1 has this three rows and four columns: name, phone, account, and DOB. Right now, the same thing. If I check the contents of T2, I'm getting there are total six rows, and we have name, phone, account, DOB, along with city. Now let's say I want to create a table where I need name, phone, and city, right? So basically what I can do is let's to improve the use case, let's just say um, we drop the column, right, from one of the tables. That will give a better example. Drop phone, alter table T2, drop phone. It's phone, right? Okay, so now if you look at T2, you don't have a phone here, right? But you have an additional column city. But in T1, you have the phone, but you don't have city. Now you want to create a table which has name, phone, and city. Now you need to combine the data from both the tables to get name, phone, and city, right? To do that, we have to uh, do the joins. Okay, though, so the very first join I will explain is inner join. What inner join does is, let's say we have um, these three names in table 1, and there are these six names in this T2, but the names that the three names that are there in T1 are also present in T2, right? What inner join will do is basically it will give you a result having three rows, right? So before I go there, let me write the syntax for inner join. So what I will do is select star from T1. Maybe I just want name T1 dot name, comma T2 dot city, comma T1 dot phone, right? From T1 inner join T2 on, what is the common column between the two? Uh, the common column is the name, right? On T1 dot name equal to T2 dot name, right? So let's see. See, you got the name, city, and the phone from two different tables, and but it gave you three rows that are common to those two tables, right? Now what if you want all the all the rows of T2 to be populated, you know, ir- irrespective of the fact that you will not get the phone numbers for those records that are not available in T1, right? So for example, you don't have John in T1. John is there. You don't have, let's say, DEF in T1, so you won't get the phone number will come as null. But still you want to see all the rows of this table, right? T2 table. So there we'll do outer join. So in outer join, we do left outer join and right outer join depending on which table you define first, right? So let's say I want all rows from my T2, right, which is my second table. So I'm gonna do a right outer join. So what I will do is select Same thing, t1 dot name comma t1 dot phone comma t1 2 dot city from t1 right outer join t2 on t1 dot name equal to t2 dot name, right? See, now you got 6 records. Now in these 6 records you got the city which was there from t2, but you did not get the name. Okay, let me change this from, let me take the name from, select t2 dot name now, t2 dot phone, t2 dot name, and t2 dot city, and then I want t1 dot phone from t1 t2 t1 right outer join t2 on t1 dot name equal to t2 dot name, right? So now you see the all the names are populated, all the cities populated. Just the phone is not populated for 3 records because those 3 records don't exist on T1. Similarly, we can modify this query using left outer join, writing something like select T2 dot name comma T2 dot city comma T1 dot phone from this time, um, on my left, basically after the from keyword, what is the table I'm considering is considered the left table, and after writing the join keyword, whatever I write after is considered the right table, right? So basically for a left outer join I'm gonna consider uh, t2 as the left table, and say left outer join t1 on t1 dot name equal to t2 dot name, right? So this should give me the same result. Yeah, this gives the same result. So the difference between left and right outer join um, is basically that where you define the table before or after the join keyword, right? So I think you got the gist of the left outer join, the right outer join, and the inner joins. So hope this video helped, and if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, please do so. And thanks for watching.